Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today is the day I go on my first ride after passing my mod 2, so come on. Today we're off to Bedorgan railway station. We have a locomotive coming through Anglesey in the next half an hour, so we are heading to a remote station to see if we can get a glimpse. Anglesey. I've been debating for like the last 2 hours whether to come and see it. It's not even that far from where I live, so why not? Why not? It's a lovely sunny day. There's a motorbike sat outside my house. Let's put it to good use.
Thank you.